Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have been trying to find a moisturizer for my skin that isn't like lotion because I don't like how it's sticky or tacky or has that buildup. So I was really excited when I found this 100% pure coconut oil. Now at first I thought it was going to be just like olive oil, really just greasy, it takes a long time to soak in. But what I was really surprised about is that in colder conditions, it comes in more as a solid. The colder it is, the more solid it is. But as it heats up, it gets more into a liquid. In fact, it can even turn into liquid just like olive oil. But I like how when it's a little bit warmed up, it's really easy to put on. It seems like it's like the olive oil, a little bit greasy, like when you first put it on, shiny, but what is so great is it really soaks in pretty fast and it makes my skin feel really good. Plus, it smells great. So if you have been looking for a moisturizer for your skin that is more natural, definitely try this. I think that you're gonna like it. You can even use it on your face and your hair. And that is just my point of view.